Discover how you can start making money today by completing simple paid tasks. Before I jump in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new ways to boost your income online. Also, let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from. I love seeing this amazing community from all around the globe. So, listen up. Today, I'm breaking down the Earnne app, a totally free platform that connects you with paid tasks, remote jobs, and tons of opportunities to earn cash fast. First up, games. Seriously, you can get paid just for playing fun games. Try puzzles, trivia, earn rewards while you're actually enjoying yourself. If surveys are more your thing, Earnne pays you for sharing your opinions. Most surveys take just 2 to 5 minutes, and you'll see instant rewards hit your account. Into videos? Watch quick, educational clips and get paid for every single one you finish. It's a super easy way to learn and earn at the same time. No investment needed. Got skills? You can also tackle freelancer tasks like creating reels, writing, or designing graphics. It's remote work you can do from anywhere, and it's a great way to show off what you're good at while earning real cash. And that's not all. Earnne offers free online courses in programming, design, marketing, and more. Grow your skills, boost your resume, and get paid as you learn. Love to read? You'll even get rewarded for reading educational books. Think business, finance, health, and personal growth. Best part, Earnne pays out instantly. Withdraw your earnings to PayPal, your bank, or a digital wallet. So what are you waiting for? Download Earnne, start completing activities, and start earning today, with zero investment and no experience required. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share it with a friend who could use some extra cash. Don't forget to subscribe for more legit ways to earn online. See you in the next one.